In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Grok AI, how to sign up for a waitlist. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can get on the Grok AI waitlist in just a couple of minutes. First, open your preferred browser and head to grok.com. Take a quick glance at the address bar to make sure you're on the official site. The homepage may highlight features and updates, but what we're looking for is the way to start the waitlist flow through a sign-in. Next, look for the Sign In button, typically at the top right of the page. Clicking sign in doesn't mean you're buying anything, it just starts the account flow Grok uses to manage access and waitlist positions. Grok uses your existing X account for authentication, so you don't have to create a brand new username and password here. When the sign in page opens, choose log in with X. This is the official, secure sign in method provided by X, formerly known as Twitter. You'll be directed through X's standard login and authorization process. This is a common single sign-on experience, which means Grok never sees your X password. It simply gets permission from X to associate your account with the waitlist. If you already have an active X session in your browser, it may recognize you automatically. If not, you'll see a familiar X login prompt and you'll complete it as you normally do. After you finish the X login, you'll land back on Grok. At this point, your account is connected, and in most cases, you'll be placed on the waitlist automatically or see your status reflected on the page. Keep an eye out for an on-screen confirmation or a short note indicating that you're in line. You can also watch for email updates or notifications from Grok or X regarding access, invitations, or next steps. A couple of quick notes for clarity. You'll need an active X account to use this flow, so choose the one you want associated with your Grok access. If you manage more than one X profile, double check which account is signed in before you begin, so your spot on the list is linked to the right one. Since this is a waitlist, there's nothing else you need to do right now. No forms to fill out or extra setup required on the Grok site once you've signed in. That's it. Go to grok.com, click sign in, select login with X, and you're on the waitlist. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get queued up for Grok AI quickly and confidently.